is really a positive attitude. You're there to work. You listen, you open your ears, diba? And don't be afraid to approach us if you have questions about your role. Yan tinuturo ko sa mga young talent yung kasi yung iba, ala nila yung, hindi kami pwedeng ma-istorbo. Ako, I welcome it, because it makes for a more fluid scene, especially pag kayo magkaka-eksena. Kahit ako when I work with my co-veteran artists, I always ask them if it's a complicated scene, I will ask Dina, Snooki, or Silot, can we run our lines time dalawa lang? Para pag take namin, ano ka na, hasa ka na, hindi yung nangangapa ka pa lang pag dating mo doon. That's what I expect. Yes, thank you.
Yes. Okay, Palor? Miss Lot Lot? Yes.
Ayan na. Tama po si Kuya Lloyd. Salamat po. Ako din naman baguhan naman din ako before, hindi ba? So you learn also from the veteran actors that I work with. So yung mga nakasama ko din na nauna sa akin sa industriya, ang dami mong matututunan sa kanila, and I've been blessed enough to work with the best also. So I'm just grateful for that. For the young ones, as long as nasa puso nila yung ginagawa nila, mahal nila yung trabaho nila, hindi sila magkakabali. And yun nga, sabi ni Kuya Lloyd, huwag mahiya magtanong, lalo na sa director. Kasi the captain of the ship should be the one, di ba, yung siya nakakaalam kung ano yung dapat, especially with characters and everything. So, don't be afraid to approach, and then just to always be professional, and then to be kind to everyone on the set. Hindi lang sa artista, kundi sa crew, sa production staff, sa lahat ng manggagawa sa set. At saka, just to respect the work itself. Yun lang.
Yeah, so nice, yeah. Si Palor, lahat, halos kayo teen stars, no? Nagsimula, di ba, Lloyd? Si Dina, Snooki, si Palor. Tita Oro, anong edad ka nag-start? Kasi ang natatandaan ko sa'yo, I was little pa. Napanood kita as Mariposang dati.